to my channel. I am Becca of the Boundless Bloom Life, and I am super pumped about this week. I am super pumped because if you have been following me, maybe you have not been, but I have been doing this YouTube thing for 6 months now, 6 whole months, and my personal goal for myself and for my business was to do it for a year. So that means I'm at the halfway mark. Now, this week I am shooting a video just doing half my face. So if you want to just take a second, watch it. I want to talk about the power of highlight and contouring and how you can take this to looking like this in the matter of minutes with Maskcara Beauty. I hope you love it. If you do love it, hit that subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, because you do know I'm going to be at least consistent for another 6 months. Guys, I just got so pumped about the video that I forgot I was only doing half my face. Rewind, start over, just wiped it all off. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to be using my HAC stack because that's what I love to use in YouTube videos, because it's so easy to like boom, bada bing, bada boom, get through my makeup here. So I'm going to do half my face. I've taken it off again and we applied Stay Spray, so let's go. Lately I have been using Aura for my jawbone, because look at the perfection of a match that is. If you're not familiar with Maskcara Beauty products and you're just clicking on me, somehow finding me, they are incredible. They should, basically this sounds really gross, like gross explanation, but they should make it feel like and look like you just have like an extra layer of perfect flawless skin over your skin. And that's what I'm all about. Anybody can learn how to do makeup with a makeup that is so awesome. Traditional makeup, you would just stop right there, right? Put a little blush on maybe, but look at what it did to my face. I'm washed out and flat. This is the beauty of highlight and contouring. This is the beauty of a 3D foundation. You want to add that dimension back into your face. Whether or not you want to change the shape of your face, or whether or not you just want to go back to your natural shape of your face, highlight and contouring is so awesome. So I'm going to use Olive Contour next. And I'm using that same brush, and I'm just going to stick it up on my forehead. Let's take that olive, and here is the lift. We're all a little bit darker under here, right? We all have this bone structure. So contouring is just bringing that structure back to your face. Because warm colors, dark colors, not warm colors, dark colors draw back, and light colors bring forward. That's the concept of highlight and contour. See how I am brightened and lifted? This channel is not about perfection. This channel is about being real. This channel is about facing fears. This channel is about just growing. And that's what I'm doing here. Oh, and let me take the contour and bring a little into my jawline. Just sculpt out that jawbone a little bit. B square brush, and today I'm going to be using Plum Lip and Cheek. I haven't used this one since the summer, I don't think. I saw it there, it said Plum. I'm going to use you today. Pull so when I do that, I always get like stuck on one color, right? We probably all do that. I've been stuck on Sandstone. It's beautiful, like brick red. Sounds scary for a blush, but wow, it's beautiful. I've been stuck on it, and for like quite a few weeks now, and I get stuck on colors, and then when I switch colors, I'm like, where have you been all my life? Sitting in my compact, not being used. That's where you've been? I'm sorry, Plum. Seriously. I love Maskcara Beauty for that reason too. You can have so many different looks in a little palette. I just did a blog about how awesome it is for traveling with it too. Okay, the last step of the foundation is the illuminator. And I'm going to be using Honey today just to give that candlelit shimmery glow to my skin. Just going to kind of marry those two colors together a little bit better. Look at that. Perfect! Let's finish this half side of my foundation with a little bit of that contour on my nose. Because when I just use traditional foundation, my big schnoz, which I love by the way, looks even bigger. So this will cut down the size. Now, I have my eyeshadow palette right in the same compact, and I'm gonna just start going on and doing that. If you skip out on eyeshadow, just stop for me, please. Even a little brush of this Valencia color here. Look what it's done to my face. It's just made me look effortless, bright. It honestly was effortless. I just slapped that on there. But we're gonna put a little bit more effort into this and go with Mihaya next. This pink. Mihaya is actually 100% of the proceeds that have to come from Mihaya and another color called Stay Golden. They actually go to raise awareness for kids in foster care. The key with eyeshadows is just go a little bit out of your comfort zone. I've been obsessed with Cocoa. It's like a warm, well, all browns are warm, but it's like almost like a red brown. You know, you guys can see right there. I've been loving it. We've also been obsessed with the new blend and tap brush. Okay, the last color I'm going to use is that sparkly pink that you saw right next to all the other two. Guys, I was trying to leave that truck, but in all seriousness, I gotta go. What a good time for this. I'm a mom. Daycare is closing. Now I'm going to take a little bit of that, the colors underneath my eye. I need a mirror for this part. Now this action here, if you've never seen it before, we'll just connect the two lids. Make your eye appeal open. It just finishes off the lip. So I'm taking Mihaya and Cocoa. The last thing I usually do before setting my makeup is my brows. And as you can see, I have pretty decently thick eyebrows. So I don't do too much with them. I would just brush them into place. And then use Cola contour. It just gives that just a little bit. A little bit of extra something, something. I'm not sure what I want to do for my lips yet. But, some. Yes? No? Maybe so. I'm feeling real pumped today, if you guys can't tell. It's super duper important for me to be genuine, and genuinely, I'm a goof. Generally, I don't do my hair. Genuinely, I love Maskcara Beauty. Should we do the lips, guys? Now I can do the plum, or I can do something a little brighter. Let's see. Or we can mix. Doing half my lips is always the weirdest thing. But believe it or not, I've done this before. Not videotaped, but just for picture purposes. What do you guys think? If you need something bright? I'm gonna go crazy weird and mix it with a little pink. Yes. I'm loving this on my lips. Sorry, Plum. And there we have it. A half-face hack. Let me know what you think. Let me know how shook and shocked you are at the power of makeup. I'm actually like insanely shocked right now. And I do this almost every day. Natural Becca, glam Becca. Natural Becca, glam Becca. I love both sides of me. Guys, I almost forgot to say bye to you. I can't even believe it. How rude am I? I just want to say thank you. Thank you for being here for 6 months, for your support, for sharing with your friends. I'm so proud of myself for doing it. I'm so grateful for you guys. And as always, remember to keep blooming.